Hello class, today you are going to watch two videos with completely different drumming styles. The first video is going to be about a Japanese group. Kodo is a professional group and they're from Japan. Kodo has two meanings. One is heartbeat and the other is children of the drum. The large drums that you are going to see in their video are also known as taiko. The style of drumming they will use is also referred to as taiko. You'll see some very large drums that will be used in the video, and these drums have been in Japan for over 2,000 years. The other group that you will see is a totally different style. It is called the Blue Man Group. The idea of the Blue Man Group started in New York City here in the United States. Three longtime friends were walking down the streets of New York and they saw three men who were punk rockers with huge mohawks up in the sky. They had safety pins coming out their cheekbones, and they had big, heavy chains. And amongst these three men were three businessmen, and the three businessmen had on very fancy Armani suits, and they had alligator briefcases, and all six men were just kind of walking amongst each other, and nobody seemed to notice the difference in the individuals. And they asked themselves, I wonder what would surprise people. And they realized, after playing around with the idea a little bit, that bald and blue was something special. And that's when they came about with the Blue Man Group. And you'll see a little difference in the two drumming styles. I hope you listen carefully and come up with some ideas that you think is a little bit different between the Kodo group of drumming from Japan and the Blue Man Group, which is a group from the United States. Thank you, and watch carefully.